not like the others.
I'd be surprised if this worked. It's gonna have to.
Welcome back to the channel. This weekend we are heading out to the Dream Rally in Kelowna, where we are going to go from Kelowna to Penticton with about 100 or so supercars. It should be an awesome weekend. All loaded up, and we are relying on this truck this time, which I'm not going to say anything bad because I don't want to jinx myself. But Chainsmoker looks fantastic. Kelowna inbound. EGT alert. Well, I better let off the gas and get that okay. Engine temp alert. Oh, I better not go up a hill to make that okay. Oh, that's not really an option. Well, we made it as far as Armstrong before the fuel pump on the Duramax gave out. It's got an aftermarket lift pump, and it is not making those whiny noises that it should. So we've now parked ourselves at a Dodge diesel place in Armstrong, and the dude is really nice. It's after hours, but he was still here, which is awesome. And he's gonna hopefully find us some fittings so we can bypass that and get back on the road. Thank you so much, DHW. You guys are the bomb. We have got a brand new bypass. A little bit different than what we were doing before, but fucking A, back on the road. We have officially made it to the Dream Rally, which is very exciting. There's a lot of insane cars here, and Chainsmoker's only about 8 rows down, which means we're near the front, which is actually very sick. This is gonna be a crazy day. I cannot wait. Woo-hoo-hoo! Ferraris, Porsches, BMWs, Lamborghinis, McLarens, we got it all. One of these things is not like the others. For those of you that don't know, what the Dream Rally is this event that they have every year here in Kelowna, and what they do is they take kids that have some sort of medical affliction, I guess I could say, like a cancer or some sort of unfortunate situation, and they pair them up in these supercars, and they give basically all these kids a chance to experience what it's like to be in something awesome. So I have a kid in Chainsmoker, and it's not quite a supercar, but I mean, it's definitely, I would say it's definitely awesome, and it's definitely something different. So hopefully that kid enjoys it. Just to give you an idea of the scale of this place, the starting line is way down there. You can see it. And these cars just keep going and going. Just sick car after sick car. This is pretty cool. Everybody's signing this one. They do this every year. And then they take the wrap off and put it in the showroom at August Motor Cars. It's a great idea. This thing will be covered in kids' names by the end of the day.
That's insane. That's insane. That's... Is it V8 in there? No. V12? V12. V12? Yeah, look at the intake. Look at the exhaust pipe.
What a welding.
That would take so much brake to lay down all those chains.
Yeah. That would have taken hours and hours and hours to get them all lined up perfectly like that.
All the work went into this. That's not something to see on the street every day. What do you think the chain adds to the weight? Does it weigh more than the truck?
Just completely boosted up.
You're gonna need it to move all that chain.
Oh my goodness.
Must be heavy.
I wonder what it weighs, eh?
It's gonna be heavy.
Chain is not light.
Look at this stick. Like, look what it is. It's a sword. It's a sword.
Look, there's a sword in there for a shifter.
Oh yeah?
Get a picture of it.
It must come up somehow a little bit, right? They can't drive like that.
Does it lift up, obviously? Like it's touching the ground.
This is unbelievable.
Especially Lay's frame right now too, eh? That's hilarious.
Is it just for show, or does it actually go so?
I think it lifts off the ground.
It has to, yeah. It could have like air suspension.
Is that going to make it to Penticton?
I don't know.
It's got twin turbos, it should make her.
Can this thing even drive?
Do you think this thing could even make
There's a booster seat. I'd be surprised if this worked. It's gonna have to. There's a GoPro on there.
That's a GoPro. Dad, look, that one has a camera.
Oh yeah, GoPro.
I've heard him talking that when he runs this, there's so much smoke that comes out of it.
This thing's fantastic.
I think we're almost done. Now it's time to meet your co-pilots, and co-pilots, it's time to meet your drivers.
So I kind of forgot to mention one of the most important things today, but it's exciting. This is an exciting thing, and we're going to say that. This is going to be Chainsmoker's longest drive ever by like a fold of 7. So hopefully everything goes well today. I'm going to knock on some wood, and we're going to see how she goes. But it's exciting. We're going to actually get to test drive Chainsmoker today. Here we are, about to leave the starting line. I'm with my co-pilot Owen. How you doing, Owen?
Good.
How old are you, bud?
I'm 7, turning 8 this weekend.
This weekend? He's turning 8 this weekend. Happy birthday, buddy. That's awesome. This is great. Give me a pound. Don't leave me hanging. Nice. This is going to be a good time. I'll bring you along. Let's do this thing. Escorts, how awesome is this? There's like 15 of these guys with their little yellow jackets. I love it. Got the highway shut down on this side, all the supercars. So sick. This is awesome. Beautiful Kelowna. You having fun, bud?
Yeah.
Awesome. I mean, you got to give them a bit of a show, right? Sorry to the G-Wagon behind me. Sorry, buddy. He's blowing his whistle, and they're all doing their commands. Look at that, that's awesome. Get her done. Look at this. Look at this spot. Awesome. We're at the Penticton Airfield. I'm sure it has a different name than that, but it's pretty cool. We got military here. We got Chainsmoker here. In a field of Lamborghinis and Ferraris, one chain stack stands above them all. Oh, there we go. That's a way to do it. Way to go, bud. That'll keep you cool.
Is that my kid? Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. It's just like you, Dario.
Oh, yeah.
There they are.
Oh yeah, damn. That's very low.
Well, Warwick, what did you spend your dream rally doing? Yeah! Nailed it. Too easy. First try. What up? Yeah, bowling. Oh, that's fourth. Into second we go.
Tonight is going to be absolutely amazing as we're going to surpass raising $2.5 million since we started.
Wow, $2.5 million.
So enjoy the rest of the evening.
That's amazing. Well, that's it. Another Dream Rally wrapped up. It was a fantastic year. Huge thank you to August Motor Cars and everybody that had anything to do with that. It is such a great time. I know that my co-pilot, he said that it was the best day of his life, which, I mean, kids, he's probably said that about 1,000,000 times, but I'll take it. So that's pretty awesome. It feels really good right here, and I can't wait for next year. Let's do this thing again. And in some quaint parking lots in Kelowna, we have this 60-foot long setup here. Almost the full length of the parking lot just to get Chainsmoker onto this trailer, but that's what we got to do, so here we are.